Here's the view from the front balcony of the beautiful lake in the center of Eagles Point Circle, and there is your community pool. Additionally, you have a large pool and tennis center that comes with the purchase of Eagles Point Circle. As we come in the foyer to Unit 204, 5420 Eagles Point Circle in the landings, you'll notice the gorgeous travertine tile that runs throughout all the wet areas and beautiful luxury vinyl plank high definition floors that have just been installed throughout the rest of the condo. Stepping in from the foyer, you have the updated kitchen on your right, and I just want to give you a little perspective. You have a linen closet here, and to the left of the foyer, you have your guest suite, which I'll show you in a moment. The kitchen has travertine tile floors, very rich looking granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tons and tons of cabinet storage space. You have a wonderful area for a large cafe table, and there is a nice cabinet pantry, recessed lighting throughout, and the best part of Eagles Point and number 204 is you have your washer and dryer right inside the unit. You don't have to go anywhere else to do your laundry. Looking through the pass-through, magnificent view west to Siesta Key. Coming back out of the kitchen, a look again at the great room, but I'm going to take you into the guest room that we're also using as an office. Plenty of space there. Very nice soft hues in the paint colors. Nice shutters on all of the windows. This is an ensuite bedroom, and I'll take you inside the bath. Bathroom 2, or the guest bath, has all been redone. Marble tops, again travertine floors. Stepping inside, you have a lovely tile shower with the tub shower combination and the rain shower head. Coming out of the ensuite guest room, we walk toward the dining room. There's a nice island breakfast bar and magnificent views looking west and south over the mangroves. There's birds flying out there. You can see the bay and intercoastal waterway and the Siesta Drive Bridge. And here looking towards Siesta Key, the sunsets are amazing. I'll walk you over to the sunroom area in the great room. What a wonderful spot to watch the birds. There's a night heron flying out there right now. Just a gorgeous natural view. There's a French door that goes into the master suite. We're looking back at the kitchen area, and I'll take you inside the master bedroom from the main door. Now we'll step inside the master suite, which has soft neutral hues, very calming colors, double window looking over the mangroves with the shutters, and of course it's ensuite with the master bath. Lovely rich tile, rock shower floor, frameless glass doors, and I'll take you inside. Here's a view of the shower with the granite top vanity, private commode room with a pocket door and a large walk-in closet. Here's the walk-in closet in the master. They've even put the luxury flooring in the walk-in. It runs throughout all of the bedroom and great room areas. One more view of the mangroves coming out of the master suite, looking back toward the front door. Number 204 comes with an under-building parking spot and a large storage closet there. There's actually a garage gate that comes down, so it's a secure parking area. Just amazing amenities in this gated west of the trail community. Winding boulevards, a walkway to the intercoastal waterway through the mangroves, one of the most coveted west of the trail communities in Sarasota.